Organizer of Ramadan Midnight Soak. So guys, for Ugadi, you definitely can pick this up in case you're interested. This is actually highly recommended by our, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. What's the material here?
It is brass made with gold polish and American diamond.
Oh,
and,
80. Okay. Okay. So this is a very sleek and very, body cute chic piece. Iska price boli.
45 and this is 25.
All right. What about
And these
this?
are bang bang chicken.
This is a chiffon material.
Okay.
Again, this is Pakistani brand Binte
Okay,
Noor.
iska price?
750.
Okay, great. Guys, look at this. So pretty and it's just for 750. So initially पहले हम लोग जो होता था ना फोटोज वगैरह वैसे वाला है ये जो हम लोग बचपन में देखते थे वो भी वेरी मच रिक्वायर्ड. बहुत सारे हमारे सब्सक्राइबर्स एक्चुअली बोल रहे हैं कि बच्चों के लिए कुछ दिखा दीजिए.
Full wedding outfit.
Beautiful piece actually, guys. This
With
is like
flare pen.
Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to Cheesy Retreats. I'm Afreen Fatima. आज हम लोग आए हैं to Safina Plaza Courtyard, guys, to actually explore Ramadan midnight soak, guys. This is actually just for one particular day, सिर्फ आज के दिन के लिए, which is 23rd of March 2025. तो चलिए अंदर जाकर के देखते हैं क्या क्या stalls हैं. Everyone's welcome. It's not limiting to one particular community, guys. So everyone is welcome. Ugadi is also nearing, so do check it out. तो चलिए बिना किसी देरी के let's start the vlog. So guys, we're actually meeting the organizer of Ramadan Midnight Soak. Okay, we rather know them as the Fun Fiesta. That's the Instagram handle.
Absolutely.
Hi, Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam.
Your name, please?
My name is Saud Seth.
Okay, lovely meeting him actually.
Same here.
Okay, so tell us, what was your thought about this, festival?
Well, to be very honest, I decided this the last minute, maybe about 7 days before.
Okay.
I wanted to give something different to the people. Everywhere you see around, with due respect to all the organizers, everywhere is all on one community.
Correct.
I wanted to give something different to the people, where
That's right.
I have masses from all faiths. That's the way I work.
Absolutely.
All right, so that's the reason why I curated this, and I wanted to come up with a show like this.
No, that's amazing. Actually, hats off to his thoughts.
Thank you.
That's the reason even my intro, as soon as I came in, I did not see just Muslims standing here. I could see because even Ugadi is nearing by. It's actually in the next Sunday. So everything is available for every single person out here. So it's not limiting to Ramadan alone. So आप लोग आइए, check out कीजिए. So anything else? What else do you want to say? Why
Well-
is it only for one particular day?
No, right from the beginning, if you see my Insta handle,
Okay.
my brand, I do only for one day.
Okay.
Why? Because people cannot carry their baggage and be there for days together.
Right.
So I always do one day and give them the desired result what they wanted.
Okay.
So that's what I believe in.
No, absolutely.
And after this, inshallah, we're coming up with the 29th
Oh, that's
at
great.
Adams Hall, Viviani Road.
Okay.
With a 50 stall curation.
Okay.
That's going to be a place where you're going to get a lot of discounts available, and that's again going to be a mix of crowd for us.
Okay, all the best for that,
Thank you
and
so
we're
much.
definitely looking forward for it.
Same here.
And yeah, all the best for this. This
Thank
is
you.
looking really amazing to me
Thank you.
because I see variety of stalls and
Absolutely.
different collections. So let's explore them. Thank you so
Thank you
much.
so
It was
much.
amazing
Jazakallah.
talking
Thank
to
you
you.
so much.
Thank you. So guys, we're moving to the first stall, and the first stall name here is Ashwidi Collections. So hi, madam. Hi, what's your name?
Asha,
Asha. So tell us about your stall. What are you selling here actually at the counter?
pure cotton Jaipuri kurtis.
Okay, so what's your minimum range, dear?
Kurtis start from 800.
Okay, show us one piece of
This is
800.
a premium
please.
quality cotton.
Okay. Okay, 1 second. So this is the kurti starting at around 800 rupees. And what's the material? Cotton, right?
Pure cotton. Premium
Pure
quality
cotton. Okay. So the color won't fade?
No, it won't
All right.
fade.
So what else do you have? Show us something the
Party
maximum
wear,
range.
This is 2,950 party wear sharara.
Yeah. What's
Sharara
the
set.
price?
2,950.
Okay. So you have more collection, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
More collections like this.
Okay. So this is a very smart piece.
Yeah.
Can you see, guys? Guys, Ugadi is also coming nearby next Sunday. You guys can definitely pick this up. It's a very smart piece actually. Price, Haley?
This is 2,650.
So 2,650 for this particular piece, guys. Entire set है. आप
Yeah,
लोग देख
entire set.
लीजिए. All right. So do you have any permanent outlet? Do you have a store?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Do you have an? You do it online?
Yes, online.
Okay,
Ashwidi
s-
Collections.
Okay. So please share your Instagram handle.
Ashwidi Collections.
Same name.
Yeah,
spelling?
same name. Yeah.
Okay, guys. So that's the Instagram handle's name. You guys can contact. You guys can definitely check them out at Ashwidi Collections, guys. Thank you so much. It was
Thank
lovely
you so
talking
much.
to you.
Thank
All the
you so
best.
much.
So we're moving to the next stall. Hi.
Hi.
Just hold the mic here.
Okay.
Hi. Okay. What's your name?
Veera.
Okay. What's your stall's name or your store's name?
It's a Veera silks and cotton
Okay, so-
sarees. Completely handcrafted.
Completely
sarees.
sarees.
Yeah.
Sarees is what you're selling, right?
Yeah, yeah.
So do you have a permanent outlet or something?
No, no.
No, you do it online?
Yeah, it's
Okay,
an
so-
online store and a home run boutique actually.
You do it from home as well, right?
Yeah,
So do you want to share your contact number to our viewers?
Definitely.
Please go on.
98
Okay.
455 33 630.
Okay. So I see two beautiful ladies here. So what's her name? Okay, so you both are handling this, right?
Yeah.
So do you have an Instagram handle as well?
Yes.
Okay, can you share that?
Veera Classics.
So tell us what's your minimum range? What are you selling at the counter?
Yeah, our price range starts from 1,699
Okay.
and goes up to 9,000.
Okay, so what you can do is you can show us one piece of the minimum range and the maximum range one piece.
Sure,
Can you do that?
Yeah.
So guys, this is the first piece that they're showing us. So what's the material?
It's a Dola silk.
Okay, and what's the range you said? 1,650?
1,699. Yeah.
1,699. So guys, they're selling only saris here, so you guys can check it out. Veera Classics, and they have really good collection of different materials as well. They're not limiting to one particular material, so they have a variety. And what about this?
This is Tussa silk sari
Okay.
and this range is 10,700.
Okay, so this is Trussa silk, and this it's ranging around 10,700 rupees for you guys.
Yeah.
All
silk
right.
saris all goes up to.
Do you have one piece of silk sari here?
Yeah.
Okay, you can show that. Ugadi is
Banaras
coming, right?
crepe silk sari.
So guys, for Ugadi, you definitely can pick this up in case you're interested. I think you might have collection as well. Colors.
Yeah,
Colors?
we do, yeah.
All right. So they have variety of collection as well as colors in whatever design that you're liking. So you guys can contact them. Thank you so much for talking. Thanks. So guys, we're moving to the next stall. Hey, hi.
Hi,
What's your name?
Rohini.
Okay, hi Rohini. So tell us first of all your store's name.
It is Subiksham Jewellery.
Okay, so do you have a permanent store somewhere or do you do it
It's
online?
online. I have an Instagram page.
Okay,
I
so
do
can
it
go ahead and
online.
tell your Instagram
So
handle's
it's
name.
been 3 years since I started this business. So
Okay.
it is Subiksham Jewellery.
Subiksham Jewelry, same spelling, right?
Yes,
So guys, in case you're interested, you can check this out. I see a wide variety of collection here. So what do you sell at the counter?
These are all gold and diamond replica jewelry. So
Okay.
these are all anti-tarnish with
Okay.
gold polish.
Okay.
And these are all made of American diamond and
Okay.
CZ stones. So
All right.
these are perfect for the wedding and festival
Okay,
season.
great. So tell us what's your minimum range starting
it
from?
starts from 499.
Can you show us one piece in that, dear?
So I have it with the earring. So every piece we sell, it starts.
Okay.
It's a set. So you
So guys,
get it
check this
along
out.
with the earring.
What's the material here?
It is brass made with gold polish and American diamond.
Oh,
and,
80. Okay,
stones.
sure.
Yeah.
And what's the price you said?
Our pricing starts from
This one?
499. This is 599.
Okay, so guys, this is a very sleek piece. Actually, you can check it out, and it's 80. So 599 is definitely a good pricing. And what's your maximum range? I see some good stuff here.
My maximum range itself is 1399.
So show us one piece in that, dear.
yeah, this is the one.
Oh, this is beautiful. So guys,
So
this
these
is
are premium moissanite stones.
Okay.
So these are all perfect for evening party or
All
a
right.
wedding, anything. So
okay. So that's amazing.
So
guys,
mine is all very affordable range.
okay. So what is that? Is that your stall as well?
Yes, these are
So what are you
kids wear.
selling there? Can you show us that?
Yeah, so these are all kids wear. So I have both ethnic
Okay.
ethnic and casual wear.
Okay, nice.
These are all
So this is
kurta with pajama.
cotton, right?
Yeah, pure
What's the
cotton.
price?
This is 699
Okay, and
and
what
I
else?
do have a discount today, so we are giving 10% discount.
Okay, that's amazing. So guys, I'm really not sure if we'll be able to upload this video today, but then you can contact her directly on Instagram and definitely demand for the same
Sure,
discount.
sure.
Okay. And what else do you have? Do you have it exclusively for kids?
Yes, these are all
Okay.
only kids.
Can you just show this
items, so,
piece?
yeah.
What's the price?
This is 950. This is
This is so
cute
cute.
kurti and sharara.
It's a Jaipuri thing.
Yes, yes.
So this is a Jaipuri cotton kind of stuff. Very, very
with
nice.
the
What's the
kurta,
price?
This is 950.
All right.
Yeah.
So guys, in case you're interested, definitely do check it out. Subiksham Jewelry, guys, at Instagram. Would you want to share your mobile number in case if anyone's interested?
Yeah, sure.
Please go ahead.
It is 63-636300638 and I have the WhatsApp link on my Instagram ID. So if you just click it out, you can come to my contact.
All right. Thank you so much. All the best. So guys, we move to the next stall. Hey, hi. Assalamu alaikum.
Hi, Assalamu alaikum.
What's your name?
My name is Rida.
Okay, so tell us about your stall's name first of all.
So it's Nawazish Fashions and we deal with Pakistani clothes,
Okay.
original Pakistani
Okay.
like Marabi, Tawakkul, Ramsha, Bin Saeed.
All right.
So we get it directly from
So they're all
Pakistan.
original. guys.
Original, 100%.
All right, so you get it from Pakistan.
Pakistan.
Oh, that's amazing to know. Do you have a permanent outlet as well?
No, we do it from online on Instagram. So our handle is Nawazish Fashions.
Okay.
And on our bio, we have a number where you can DM us on WhatsApp.
Sure, you can actually tell that number if you don't mind.
Yeah. Actually,
Don't
don't have it in my
All right. So tell us
Yeah.
what's the minimum range that you have and
So-
the maximum one. So show us one piece in each.
Okay. So for stitched ones, we have this one.
Okay. So yeah,
So
that's
the-
very, I like the other one
This
too.
one?
The blue one, yes.
Okay.
Very pretty.
So this one is 4,000.
Okay.
So stitch collection we have it starting from 3,500.
Okay.
It goes up till 4,000, 4,002 depending
Okay.
on the
All
design.
right. And what about this?
And then this
Can I
one,
take it?
yeah, this one is 3,800. It's pure lawn. It's really
Okay.
good for summer.
It's very soft though. Material
Yeah.
बहुत ही soft है, guys. And it's a three-piece suit. So this is the dupatta.
It's perfect for summer because
Yes,
it's really
summer
light.
appropriate.
Yeah.
Yes, of course. And show us something for festive wear as well.
So
Eid is nearing.
for festive wear, we have
What about that?
which one? This
yes.
one? Yeah. This one is a fully stitched three-piece set.
बहुत ही खूबसूरत piece
This
है ये
is
actually.
yeah. This is a chiffon material.
Okay.
Again, this is Pakistani brand Binte
Okay,
Noor.
इसका price?
This one is 5,000.
This is 5,000. How
Yeah.
about that green one out there?
This one is 6,500.
Okay.
And this one is semi-stitched.
Semi-stitched, all right.
Yeah.
So guys, semi-stitched है. आप लोग देख लीजिए if you guys can find out some tailors for you.
Yeah, we
Otherwise
also have tailors. If they don't have ones, we
Oh,
can
so
give
they're,
them the
they're giving you a
tailors.
package, guys.
Yeah.
It's a tailor-made thing that they are showcasing.
Yeah.
So this is a very pretty piece. Price, what did you say?
5,000.
So this is for 5,000, guys, and they have really good
And
collection.
like the more they select, we are giving them discounts accordingly. So
Great.
there's
For
also
our
discounts.
viewers, you have to give some special
Yeah,
discount.
yeah.
So go ahead and tell
Yeah.
us what discount are you giving us?
We'll give you 5% discount.
Just 5% discount.
Yeah.
Sorry. All right. So in case you guys are interested, do contact Nawazish Fashions.
Yeah.
Guys, this is their contact details. It's Nawazish Fashions, and that's the mobile number. You guys can contact them. Instagram handle भी है, mail ID भी है, सब कुछ है. आप लोग checkout जरूर कीजिएगा.
Thank you.
Lovely
Thank you.
talking to you. So guys, we've actually moved to the next stall. Hey, hi.
Hi,
What's your name, madam?
my name is Sheetal.
Okay,
So I
nice
have,
meeting you.
same
So tell
here.
us something. What's your store's name? Or do you have a store, first of all?
I don't have a store.
Okay,
I have
you do it
complete-
online?
Yes, online.
All right. So what's your Instagram handle's name?
It's a Shibu. Shibu
It's
for you.
Shipu. Okay. So what are you selling at the counter today?
I'm selling the shrugs. So you can see the long shrugs,
Okay.
short one.
So what's
And,
the minimum range that you're selling?
It's like 300.
300 rupees. So you're saying that this particular
Yeah,
shot is for 300.
300, yes, yes.
Pick any for 300, or do you have variety?
I mean, till 600.
Till 600. So and I see some collection. Is that yours?
Yeah, no, only
This one? Okay. What is this?
These all are shrugs.
All are
All are
shrugs.
shrugs.
Okay. Show us one minimum range and one maximum range. Yeah.
So we do have a reversible.
Okay.
So they can wear with
Okay.
the both side.
Amazing. So
So
guys,
we
this is
have
double sided. एक बार आपको अगर मैच करना है तो इस कलर से मैच कर सकते हैं या नहीं तो इस कलर से भी. Okay. And what's the range?
It's a 450.
450 rupees. What's the material? Cotton?
It's a pure handloom ikat cotton.
Okay, great. All right.
This is our fast selling.
This is your fast selling.
Yeah, this
Okay.
is a pure cotton
Okay.
with a lining.
That I can definitely check. The material is really good, guys. What's the price you said? Yeah,
It's 350.
350.
Yes.
Worth.
If
Definitely
they buy for two, so we are giving today only for a 500.
for 500.
For two piece 500.
So any two pieces 500 other than normal range,
Normal
right?
range.
So guys, in case you're interested today, 250 rupees का एक मिलेगा. मतलब दो अगर आप लोग लेंगे तो 500 रुपए का मिल जाएगा. So you definitely can check them out. Shipu, guys. In case people are not able to come down today, will you consider and extend the
sure.
offer?
Yeah, sure.
All right, check them out at Instagram handle, guys. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you so
Lovely
much.
talking to you. So, guys, we've moved to the next stall here. That's Rida Collections. Very nice name, though.
Thank you.
Hi, what's your name?
Preeti.
Okay, hi Preeti. So, tell us what are you selling at the counter here?
This is real kundans. We customize this.
Okay.
This is real brass. We customize.
Okay,
this.
can you also tell us prices a bit? What's your starting range actually?
Starting range is 200 till 7,000.
Okay, can you
I
show
have
us one piece in 200, please?
these all are. You can get it. Something
The hoop.
In,
Okay,
yeah.
these earrings.
These
So
type
these
of-
earring, what's the material?
It's a stainless steel only.
Okay, anti-tarnish?
Yeah. Anti-tarnish.
Okay,
yes.
great.
Yeah.
And what's your, for example, I picked this up. Iska price boliye?
This is 750 only.
Okay, great. Guys, look at this. So pretty, and it's just for 750. And for example,
These
this
are real
one,
kundans. This is 2,000.
2,000 rupees ka ye real kundan ka piece hai, guys. It's going well with my dress though. Okay, what maximum range 7,000 you said, right? Can you show us
7,000.
that one particular piece, please?
Sure.
So guys, that is
Real kundan.
real kundan.
Yes.
Okay, and the price is 7,000.
7,000.
Amazing. Any offers
Around.
for today?
Yeah, 10% discount is there in real kundans.
Okay, so do you have a permanent store or something? Do you have
No,
an
I
outlet?
do it from home only.
You do it from home.
Yes.
Do you want to give your mobile number to our viewers so
Yes,
that they can
sure.
contact you? Please go ahead.
It's 9922040044. Please contact me. Thank
Sure.
you.
Do you have an
Preeti Raga.
Okay. Do you have an Instagram handle as well?
Yes.
Please share that.
It's Rida Collection 2011. Please follow my page. Thank you so much.
Please do follow them and check it out. And Are you going to extend this offer
Sure.
to our viewers?
Yes, definitely.
Then definitely check them out, guys. Thank you so much.
Thank
It
you
was
so
nice
much.
talking
Yeah,
to you.
same.
So, guys, we're moving to the next stall. The name is Holistic Health. Hi, Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum Assalam.
Your name, please?
Osama
Okay.
Shakil.
So, Mr. Osama, tell us what are you selling at the counter, please?
So basically, these are all Tibbi Nabi products, which are
Okay.
basically made on the teachings of the Prophet and from the Quran and Hadith.
Right.
So I have.
Talbina is here.
So
the
Talbina,
favorite-
yes,
right.
Talbina basically is the most known product. It's a mix of barley flour.
Okay.
Then it has dried dates, cardamom, cinnamon, almonds. It's a powder of everything. So basically, it can be taken as a porridge with milk, and you can also have it like you can prepare it like a oats porridge, or you can directly have it with milk.
Okay.
So it's very good source of nutrition. It's very good for your overall nutrition of the body.
Right.
Special and can be taken by everyone in the family, kids,
Right.
adults, school-going children. And
So
it's a very
this
good
is
source
high-
of
yes.
nutrition. Yes.
This is actually highly recommended by our, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Okay, so guys, definitely check this out. This is one of the important products, and it's highly recommended in our, community, guys. So, what's the price of this
This is 550 for half kg.
for half kg? Okay,
Yes.
how long can we use this? For example,
It will go for a month at least easily.
1 month, right?
Yes.
Okay,
yes.
what else do you have? Can you give us a
Yes. So
sneak
this
peek?
is dry. This is basically dates vinegar, fermented dates. This is dates
Okay.
vinegar.
So, how do we use that?
This is basically you can use it in salads as a dressing, or you can
Okay,
have
dressing.
it with warm water.
ठीक है, इसका price बोलिए.
This is 399.
Okay, and what
for
about
200
this?
ml. This is Nuska Kalbi. Basically, this is a very good dietary juice for cholesterol control and overall heart health.
Okay. So, this is completely
650
related to
rupees.
health.
These are our health. These are
Okay.
all health products and health supplements. This is Marzan Josh. This is
Okay.
basically again mentioned in one of the hadiths as marjoram leaves. This is good for your lung infection, cough,
Okay.
and for like in females they have this PCOD,
Right.
ovarian cyst, right?
Correct.
So this is good for that as well.
So, guys, in case if someone's trying to TTC, you guys can check this out. It's very highly recommended, as he's saying.
This is Kalonji again. Kalonji.
Okay.
This is black seed oil. This basically Prophet used to say that this
Yes.
has cure for everything except death. So it's very
Absolutely,
good.
absolutely. जौ का दलिया भी दिख रहा है मुझे.
Jawka dalia again, it's barley. It's a spicy mix. And this is Al Rehan. This comes in the hadith as Al Rehan. This is basil essential oil.
Okay.
Tulsi.
So, how do we use that?
This is basically you can have 2 drops with 1 glass of warm water in the morning or in the evening.
Okay, great. And जौ का दलिया का price बोलिए.
Jawka dalia is 350 rupees for half kg.
It's your brand.
It's basically a company in Mumbai who basically exclusively work on.
So, you're
Tibet Nabi.
marketing that.
Yes.
All right. So, go ahead and tell. Do you have a permanent outlet or something?
I don't have an outlet, but I basically operate from a house at the moment. I operate from my
आपका
home.
थोड़ा mic
I
पे
operate from my home at the moment. I don't have a store, but I
Okay.
have an
आपका-
online presence. I have an Instagram, Facebook, and you can contact me on this WhatsApp number given here.
WhatsApp numbers here, guys. You guys can check it out in case you're interested to maintain your
This is my
health.
Instagram handle, Holistic Health 111.
All right. Thank you. It was lovely talking to you. So, guys, we've moved to the next stall here. That's the Zenith Aesthetic Care. Hi.
Hi.
Just थोड़ा ऊपर कर लीजिए.
Hi,
Hi.
hi.
What's your name?
So myself Dennis.
Okay. Hi, Dennis. So, tell us what are you doing at the counter here?
So
Go
we
ahead.
we are a branch of a wellness clinic.
Okay.
It's like a dermatology clinic. We have different branches in
Okay.
Bangalore. So we basically treat skin, hair, and weight loss treatments.
Okay.
So if you have any skin issues like tanning, if you're looking for any glue,
Right.
if you're looking for any skin whitening injections and all, we can visit our clinics. We
Okay.
have different branches. One in Whitefield,
Okay.
one in Kamanali, one in HSR,
Okay.
and one in Arikari.
Okay, like for example, I can see something like skin treatments. You just
Yes,
spoke about
yes.
hair fall treatments. What do you do on
Hair
that?
fall treatment, we do PRPs, GFC sessions,
Okay.
and we have a new treatment. Its names as Exosome.
Okay,
So-
that's new.
That's new.
Okay.
That's new in the market, and we do the like different and even doctor consultations will be there.
Okay.
We'll suggest, and if you have any dandruff or something,
Right.
anti-dandruff shampoo.
Okay.
So basically, it will be after the consultation.
Okay,
like
so
what
what's your
is
consultation fees first of all?
We're not charging any consultation.
That's
like-
amazing.
Yeah.
Okay.
So it's like everybody.
So
is
that's really
welcome.
good, guys. आप लोग जाइएगा, check them out. They do not have the consultation fee even at your clinic.
Consultations, Freeze, nothing. It's like absolutely free.
Okay, that's amazing. So you guys
Yeah.
can check them out.
You can have a consultation. After that, you feel like you need to go for the treatment.
Of course, you have to pay for that then.
Yeah.
All right. So share them your mobile number or the address where they can
Sure,
come down.
sure. This is the latest offers we are running.
Okay. So guys, they have some currently running offers. You guys can definitely check this out. Hair transplant at just 49,999. Chemical peel and a lot of things, guys. And this is their mobile number. You can contact them and also their website. All right. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So we're moving to the next stall. Hi.
Hi.
Hello, sir. What's your name?
Alex.
Okay, so what are you selling at the counter? First of all, unga stall per pati solunga.
Avadatta Studio.
Okay, so where is it? Do you have a permanent outlet as well?
Yeah, we have an outlet at Hormau.
Hormau. Okay, and any contact number, so in case if people are interested, they can come down.
7871827859.
Okay, so tell us, what are you selling at the counter today?
See, we are actually, I'm into this industry for last 3 decades.
Okay, that's amazing to know that.
Right from the crop to finished product, I'm
Okay.
into this. Like, so
Okay.
we do a cultivation and then we make the yarn and then
Okay.
we give it to the spinners. All these things we do job work
Okay.
and get the weaving done out of them, and then we get the final product in our brand name. And we do supply to all the corporate brands,
Okay.
and we make some surplus of them and then we put it in
Oh,
our
so you're basically ruling the industry right now. So tell us, what are you selling today? Like saris?
saris. Yeah,
Saris. What's the minimum range, sir?
it starts from 500 to 15,000.
Okay, show us one piece in the minimum range, whatever you like, and 15,000 again, whatever you like, whatever your fast-selling products are.
Okay.
Show us that, please.
It costs around 7K, man.
Okay, this is around 7,000
Yeah,
rupees,
yeah.
right? Okay, so festival where even Ugadi is coming next
Yeah.
Sunday,
Yes.
and even for Ramazan, people can try in case you guys are interested. What's the material set? Silk, no?
Pure silk.
Pure silk. Okay, great. Can I?
Yeah.
Okay. So guys, this is costing around 7,000 rupees and it's pure silk. So you guys can check them out definitely. And what's your anything else that you want to show us?
Yes, we are specialists in modal silk.
Okay. Show us really good one for festival. This is beautiful too. This is also very nice.
Yeah, you can put that only. That's
Okay.
also-
What's the price, sir?
This is 3.5.
So guys, this is actually in the mediocre range. This is around 3,500 rupees. बहुत अच्छा है. एक 15,000 वाला दिखा दीजिए please. Okay, so guys, this is 13,500 Banarasi silk.
Yeah, Banarasi silk.
Okay.
We have the authentication for Silk Mark.
Okay, so guys, you can check this out. They also have authentication for
Yeah,
Silk
yeah.
Mark,
Yes.
and Avadatta is the name, guys.
Yes.
So yeah, in case you guys are interested, definitely do check out Sir's store. If you're not able to come here today, obviously, then you can check them out directly at the store.
Yeah, you can check on our Insta page also. It's same Avadatta Studio.
All right, thank you so much. Nice
Thank
talking
you,
to
thank
you. We're at the next stall. Hi, अस्सलाम वालेकुम.
वालेकुम अस्सलाम.
आपका नाम?
नेहा.
तो आप क्या सेल कर रहे हैं काउंटर में, थोड़ा बता दीजिए.
मैं बच्चों के किड्स वेयर सेल कर रही हूँ.
वेरी मच रिक्वायर्ड. बहुत सारे हमारे सब्सक्राइबर्स एक्चुअली बोल रहे हैं कि बच्चों के लिए कुछ दिखा दीजिए. तो क्या सेल कर रही हैं आप बच्चों के लिए?
कोरियन किड्स वेयर, कोरियन
Okay.
फ्रॉक्स.
ओके, व्हाट्स द प्राइस?
द स्टार्टिंग इज 600.
So guys, this is for kids. क्या एज के बच्चों की पहन सकती हैं?
ये 3 मंथ से 5 इयर्स तक.
ओके, 3 मंथ से लेके 5 इयर्स तक आपके पास सिर्फ वही एज के ग्रुप का है ना?
10 इयर्स के भी है.
10 इयर्स का भी. ओके, 10 इयर्स के वाले के वास्ते एक कुछ दिखा दीजिए. It's all Korean stuff,
Yeah.
no?
Almost.
The ones that's very trending right now is the Korean clothing, guys, and material काफी अच्छा लग रहा है मुझे. थिक भी है and बहुत अच्छा है.
समर फ्रेंडली है ना.
ओके, समर फ्रेंडली है.
ये सब विंटर, थोड़ा विंटर वेयर. ये समर फ्रेंडली.
राइट. इसका प्राइसेस क्या है?
ये इसका आगे 800
Okay.
विद बॉटम.
ओके, आपका कोई परमानेंट स्टोर है, दुकान है?
मैम, अभी आई डू फ्रॉम होम.
Oh, you do from. Okay, so आप आपका कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर दे दीजिए in case anyone is interested.
888-499-405.
All right, thank you.
Welcome.
खुदा हाफिज़. Okay, so guys, गर्मी का मौसम आ चुका है and what we want is something chilling, right? So they have a stall here. That's Hangyo Ice Cream.
Yes.
Hi, what's your name?
Hi, Afreen.
Okay. Oh, my name is Afreen too. Hi, nice
Nice
meeting
meeting
you. All right, so tell us, what are you selling at the counter?
So we have different kinds of ice cream, different flavors. We have our chiku.
Okay.
And the best one is we have this rave ice cream, which
So
is
you're saying that is the fast selling one, right?
Yes.
So what's the price? उसका price क्या है बोलिए?
So we are starting from 20 and it goes up to 60.
Okay, show us that rave wala ice cream. Okay, this is new, I believe.
Yes, this is new. This is something like Amul mein we have this
Chocobar Feast
not
wala?
Chocobar. What is that? I'm not
Magnum. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So Hangyo has brought you something like Magnum, guys. That's Rave Choco Rodi. Price क्या है इसका?
Yeah.
So guys, this is priced around 60 rupees and they're saying that this is the hot selling or the fast selling. So आप लोग interested हैं तो check out कीजिएगा.
And even the sitafal is as good as natural.
Okay, सीताफल. So guys, look at this. आप लोग check out कीजिए इसका price.
This is also around 50 or
So what do you watch for? Which one?
So I prefer fruits, so sitafal is my favorite.
Okay. So do you have a permanent outlet somewhere?
Yeah, we do have in Tannery Road.
Okay.
We are the agency. We have an agency of Hangyo.
Oh, great.
My husband, it's a family.
Okay,
basically,
okay.
family business.
Nice to know
So,
that.
yeah, thank
Sure.
you.
In case if you're not able to come down here, you guys can definitely check their store out at Tannery Road.
Near
Contact
Nawab bin
number.
Masjid.
Near
Nababin Masjid.
Okay, so near Lababin Masjid, as she says. And mobile number दे दीजिए in case someone's not able to contact, मतलब आ नहीं सकते या delivery भी है?
Yes, we.
Okay, just go on.
You've
Tell me.
yet to do with the Swiggy and the Zomato.
That's okay. Just share your contact number.
The number is 890-471-3008.
All right. Thank you so much.
Thank
Nice
you.
talking to you. So guys, we've actually moved to the next stall. Hey, hi.
Hi,
What's your name, madam?
Sonia.
Okay, so आपके स्टॉल के मतलब स्टोर का नाम बता दीजिए.
Slick and Style.
Okay, आप काफी खूबसूरत हैं and I see your kids, the other kids,
Daughter.
but you don't look like having such old daughters here. All right, congratulations on that. And बताइए आप काउंटर पे क्या सेल कर रही हैं?
मैं ड्रेसेस का कर रही हूँ,
Okay.
सेट, कॉट सेट्स,
Okay.
और साड़ी का भी करती थी अभी, लेकिन घर से कर रही हूँ.
घर से कर रहे हैं
ड्रेसेस का
आप?
कर रही
आपका कोई घर पे मतलब एक स्टोर है, परमानेंट आउटलेट है?
हाँ,
कहाँ है
घर
मैम?
का मनोहर कुंज है, बच्चेमल रोड में.
बच्चेमल रोड में. अगर आपका एक कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर शेयर करेंगे आप, किसी
Yes,
को अगर आना
yes,
हो तो
yes,
बताइए
yes.
नंबर.
9916888008.
ओके, सो आप हमें एक काम कीजिएगा, एक मिनिमम रेंज वाला एक पीस दिखाइए और आपका जो फास्ट सेलिंग वाला है और मैक्सिमम रेंज का जो एक है वो एक दिखा दीजिए बस. तो गाइस, दिस इज अ प्रॉपर फेस्टिव वेयर के लिए आप लोग चेकआउट कर सकते हैं. व्हाट्स द प्राइस डियर?
3
okay. So guys, it's 3,700. Okay, and what's the material? Madam, material क्या है इसका?
डोला सिल्क है.
Okay.
एंड गोटा वर्क है, प्रॉपर राजस्थान टेस्ट है.
अच्छा, ये फेड वगैरह ऐसा कुछ होगा?
नहीं, ऐसा
नहीं
कुछ
होगा.
नहीं
श्रिंक
होगा.
होगा?
नहीं
होगा. ओके, सो गाइस, द दुपट्टा इज वेरी ब्यूटीफुल. एक्चुअली काफी ट्रेंड में है अभी ऑरेंज. सो लुक एट दिस, इट्स ऑर्गेन्जा.
या
Okay, so this is an organza
with gota
dupatta
work.
with gota work. Really nice actually. And
वेडिंग लाइक. एंड दिस इज कॉट सेट.
okay, कॉटसेट का रेंज
है,
बोलिए.
ओनली टॉप है.
ये सिर्फ टॉप है.
हाँ.
So guys, this is khadi.
हाँ.
If I'm not wrong. What's the price?
कॉट सेट्स ये 1000 रुपीज.
ये 1000 रुपीज का है टॉप.
हाँ,
अच्छा.
ओनली टॉप. This is 1400.
Okay, so this is also khadi, guys, and it's a cot set. Okay, it's a long one. Okay, and
With
इसके साथ
pant,
पैंट भी
plazo
है.
pant है.
प्राइस क्या बोला? 1400, right?
1400.
Okay, great. Maximum range का एक बता दीजिए मैडम प्लीज.
Full wedding outfit.
Beautiful piece actually, guys. This
with
is like
flare pant.
it is purely like Indian and Western kind of a mix, right? So ये क्या है? Can you
ये
just tell us?
Flare pant है.
It has a crop top and a flare pant.
Okay, so it's beautiful.
Material and purely handwork.
Okay, so guys, Ugadi is next Sunday and also Ramadan is coming on Monday, so you guys can check it out. It's beautiful actually, very smart piece, and ऊपर से blazer भी है, तो modest wear also you can consider in case you want to. All right, so thank you so
बाकी all
much.
cotton dresses है.
Okay, it was lovely talking to you. So guys, this is the next stall and next stall का नाम है actually Zoe Apparel. So आपके यहाँ पे क्या-क्या आप sell कर रही हैं, थोड़ा बता दीजिए.
We have cot sets, dress materials,
Okay,
imported cot sets.
Pricing starts from
599.
Okay, can I just go in?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, so यहाँ पे बड़ा सा लिखा हुआ है कि 599. कौन सा वाला 599? ये सारे?
The shirts.
Pick
yeah.
anything?
Yeah.
Shirts, right?
Yeah.
Not the cot sets.
No.
Cot sets का range बोलिए.
750.
कौन से वाले?
That side.
Okay, so guys, they have cot sets at 750 rupees. Pick any.
Yeah.
For example,
We have in rayon, satin.
okay. For example, मैंने ये पिकअप कीजिए, मान लीजिए, तो इसका प्राइस 750 रहेगा.
750. Yeah.
आज के लिए सिर्फ डिस्काउंट है या?
Yeah. Only for today.
Okay, अब शायद वीडियो हमारा अपलोड कल होगा, तो कैन यू कंटिन्यू?
Yeah, sure.
ओके, आपके इंस्टाग्राम हैंडल के नाम बता दीजिए प्लीज.
Zoe Apparel.
सेम राइट? सेम
Yeah,
स्पेलिंग.
same.
कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर अगर देना चाहेंगे तो?
6360537226.
All right, just take a sneak peek of their stall right now. All right, it was lovely talking to you.
Thank you.
Thank you. So here comes the next stall. Hi.
Hello, ma'am.
What's your name, please?
Divya.
Okay, hi. So Divya, madam, tell us what are you selling at the counter, please?
We have all varieties, traditional, western, and
Okay.
Indo-western also, and we
Okay.
have saris also.
Okay, so this is a very pretty sari and
Saris.
perfect VM किया है इन्होंने actually visual merchandising. First piece is beautiful. इसका price बोलिए please.
This is after discount. It's 4,200.
Oh, so the current price, the actually MRP is 6,800. तो ये discount में दे रहे हैं. Okay, do you have a permanent outlet or something?
Yes, ma'am.
Where do you have it?
We have in Ramurthy Nagar.
Ramurthy-
From past
Ramurthy
15
Nagar.
years, I'm having my boutique.
Great.
We have
Okay.
stitching everything.
You
at
also
one
stitch,
place.
right? So it's a boutique.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so tell us your contact number so that in case if they want to come down to your store.
Sure, ma'am. 9741482916.
All right. What else are you selling?
We have 3-piece, 2-piece,
Okay.
and saris.
एक minimum range का दिखाइए, एक maximum range वाला दिखाइए.
This is for 850.
So this is for 850. It's a what's the material?
Cotton.
Okay, cotton है, 850 का है. It's festive wear में भी अगर आपको ना light, slightly simple वाला चाहिए तो आप लोग check out कर
This
सकते
is
हैं.
Jaipur cotton.
Okay.
This for 1,200.
1,200. Okay. Okay.
In silk.
What's the price of that?
2,300.
Okay, so guys, Banarsi, that's the Banarsi
Yes,
dupatta.
yes, Banarasi
and
dupatta.
silk, right?
Yes, silk.
Okay, so festive wear का भी collection है, काफी ज़्यादा
We have
collection
different
है.
designs and different collections.
Okay, do you want to say something to our viewers?
Yeah, please do visit our stall and
Okay.
avail the discounts.
Sure.
Thank you.
And do you have an Instagram handle?
Yes.
Please go on, tell
Divya
that.
_golden threads.
Okay, so Golden Threads Boutique यहाँ पे है, but then the Instagram handle
We
that
take
you said,
bridal orders, everything.
everything you take up, right? All right, so do check out anything that you want. All right, thank you. Nice talking to you. Okay, so guys, we've moved to the next stall, and the stall name here says Fashion Fusion. Hi, what's your name?
Hi, I'm Sarat.
Okay, assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum.
So tell us what are you selling at the counter? क्या है आपके पास? आपके collection के बारे में थोड़ा
So we
बताइए
have
please.
kaftans, quad
Okay.
sets and
Okay.
party wear, and we have some amazing collection for Eid as well.
Oh great. So आप एक काम कीजिए, regular wear में एक कुछ दिखा दीजिए,
Yeah.
minimum range वाला. What's your starting
So
range actually?
starting is 700.
Okay, show
So
us
we
one
have
piece in 700.
kaftans which are just priced at 700.
Okay.
These?
Beautiful actually. So guys, this is costing around 700 rupees kaftan. ये भी है. Okay. And हमें ईद के लिए कुछ बता दीजिए आप.
We have these party wear quad sets.
Okay, ranging
This is 1500.
1500. Okay.
And then we have daily wear,
Okay.
cotton based, 1250.
So daily wear, cotton based, 1250 is it?
Yeah.
अच्छा ठीक
And
है.
this is also daily wear, 1250 3-piece set with the
Okay,
dupatta.
with the dupatta,
Yeah,
great,
and
amazing.
the pant is patiala pant. So
Okay,
it has a
that's-
lace also at the border.
Oh, that's amazing.
We have some amazing sharara sets.
Okay.
These are just 2.5.
Beautiful. It's a very
So
pretty
these can
piece
be worn
actually.
for weddings.
Okay. And what is the sizes that you're offering?
Large, extra large and double XL.
तो मेरे को भी आ जाएगा.
Yeah.
Okay.
And we have one more very pretty silk fabric wala.
Okay.
This is 1800.
So guys, नमाज के लिए भी बहुत ही pretty piece है actually. Very nice. 1500, right?
1800.
1800. Okay. Okay. So बनारसी दुपट्टा and इसका material क्या है?
This is also cotton.
So this is cotton. Okay. So guys, ये भी एक है, देख लीजिए. Festive wear में भी काफी collection. आपका permanent outlet है कहीं?
No, we don't have an outlet. We have an Insta page called Fashion Fusion.
Oh, so the Insta page name is also the same. So that's the spelling. You guys can check them out on Instagram page. And do you want to share your contact number?
So our contact number is 8095765919. So you can follow my Insta page and DM us with any of the products. We'll deliver it.
Sure. Are you going to give our viewers some discount?
I mean, like, yeah, they could get a special 10%.
Oh, that's amazing. So guys,
And
do check it out.
Yeah, and I do baking as well. So
Oh, go on,
if
share
not
it.
discount, they can get a complimentary cupcakes.
Ah, lovely. All right. So please check them out, guys. All right. Thank
So,
you.
thank
Nice
you
talking
so
to you.
much.
Bye-bye. So guys, that's the next stall, and the name is Crescent Core. Hi. What's your name?
Dania.
Okay. Hi, Dania. Tell us what are you selling at the counter?
Hi, so I'm selling a bunch of pendants, some rings, some earrings, and I have these Ramadan special DIY tasbih kits.
Oh, mashallah, mashallah.
So I have
Nice.
a bunch of colors and charms and everything to choose
What's
from.
the price?
This is 350 a piece and
Okay.
3 for 1,000.
3 for 1,000. Okay,
Yeah.
great. So tell us, is this anti-tarnish?
So some of them are anti-tarnish.
Mm-hmm.
So these are from Korea, these are from
Price के
Turkey.
साथ बता दें, please.
Okay, so these are 900 and these start at 600.
Okay. So what is this special thing that anybody should come down to your counter and buy it?
I think the most special thing are these lockets.
Okay.
You don't get a locket as small as this anywhere, right?
Okay, lovely.
So
these are
this-
anti-tarnish?
Yes, these
Alright.
are completely anti-tarnish.
Okay, so initially पहले हम लोग जो होता था ना photos वगैरह वैसे वाला है ये जो हम लोग बचपन में देखते थे videos में. All right. So do you have an Instagram page or do you have a store?
I do have an Instagram page. I will just give you my card. My Instagram is Crescent Core.
Okay. All right. Do you want to share your contact number in case anyone wants to contact you? Go ahead.
Okay, 76191747449.
All right. She's very chirpy and very nice. So you guys can check it out. All right. Nice talking to you. The next stall here out is Sanchaya. Hi.
Hi.
What's your name, madam?
Nandini.
Okay, so
She's,
Nandini.
Lavanya and my
Hi.
partner.
Hi. Nice meeting both of you. So do you have a permanent store or something?
Yeah, we are located in Mahalakshmi Layout.
Okay.
Near ISKCON Temple.
Okay. Can you also share your contact number in case if they want to come down?
Yeah.
So
6361
go on.
372 171.
All right. So tell us what are you selling at the counter?
Actually, we are cotton wear
Okay.
and then mal cotton and then chanderi and
Okay.
then muslin silk. All
Okay.
the varieties we have.
Okay.
Party wear we have.
Okay, that's amazing. So tell us what's your minimum range starting from?
We are starts from 1200.
Can you show us one piece in 1200, please? And actually, my eyes are going on this particular piece from quite some time.
This is muslin silk with
Okay.
dupatta, with chiffon dupatta.
Okay, what's the price of this?
This is price is 4,000. On
Any
offer it
offers?
is 20% offer is there for party
Okay,
wears.
so 20% offer on party wear. ये बहुत ही खूबसूरत piece लगा मुझे, तो I couldn't resist myself from picking this up. बहुत प्यारा है guys. दुपट्टा भी है.
Dupatta is there.
Okay, so dupatta is different. So that's a dupatta, and they also have a pant. So you check it out. And minimum range wala. This is the one.
No. Minimum range I'll give it.
Show us the minimum one and then the maximum one. This is the very summery pick actually, and iska price.
This is 1,300.
Okay, so guys, actually 1,300. That's the price. Very nice, very summery pick, and color is also very vibrant. आराम से पहन सकते हैं.
And this is which comes with a palazzo pant.
Okay, so you have both, right? It's
Same
not
range.
Same range.
Yeah, same range.
1,400.
1,400.
1,300 something. you
300,
said.
400.
All right, sure. Okay.
This is tissue organza
This
with
is a
pearl
very
and work.
pretty party wear actually. My eyes are going on the really good, VM that they've done.
And also one we have with the chiffon.
Iska price?
This is 9,000.
Okay, so this is 9,000 rupees.
We
and
have offer on this also, flat 20%.
Okay, flat 20% guys. So 900, 900, 1,800 आप लोगों को कम हो जाएगा इसमें. 7,200 or something. So you guys can check it out. All right. So yeah, they have a really long collection, and I mean they have really wide variety of collections. So you guys can definitely check them out. The name is Sanchaya, and contact details have already been shared. All right, thank you so much. Nice talking to you. Bye. So guys, we're moving to the next stall. It's Varnam Heritage, right? So hi, what's your name?
Disha.
Disha. Hi, Disha. So tell us, what are you selling at the counter?
At present, we have kalamkari. This is pure hand painted kalamkari.
Okay.
It's called pen kalamkari.
Okay.
And it's mostly.
Where is this from? Coming from?
It's from Andhra.
Andhra Pradesh. All right. So tell us, what's the minimum range? Show us one piece in minimum and the maximum that you're selling, and the fast selling one.
Fast selling, I can't say because it's pricey.
Okay.
So
That's okay. What's the range?
Starting only, it's almost 16,000.
No problem. Show us one piece in that, dear.
So this is 12,000.
Okay. What is the
pure
material?
Tussar. This is tussar material.
Okay.
And it depends on the print, how long it took and how.
Oh, okay. मतलब कारीगिरी में जो काम गया है,
Yes.
मतलब the labor and everything, उस हिसाब से ये price है, guys. It's and obviously कारीगिरी उतनी है तो fade तो नहीं होने वाला, color नहीं जाएगा, right? All right. So show us something for festive. Do you have something for festive wear?
This is silk.
Okay.
Pure Kanchi silk.
Pure Kanchi silk. Okay. Price?
And this is somewhere around 30 something. 40.
Yeah, it's 43,000, guys.
I have few dupattas as I am
Careful.
a college student.
Right. Okay.
I would like dupattas.
Okay. Shown.
These are pure silk dupattas.
Okay. Lovely. So, guys, if you have a very simple top and bottom, you can have this over your dress. And what's the price?
It starts with 50.
This is 12,000. This is 12,000, guys. Can I open it?
Yeah.
Are you okay? So, guys, this is how this particular piece is. काफी बड़ा piece है.
It's
looking like a half sari to me.
Yeah, it is 2 meters.
It's pretty big. 2 meters. All right.
2 meters.
Half sari, guys. काफी अच्छा है material. In case you guys are interested in dupattas, this is a Banarsi dupatta, correct?
No, it is Kanchi dupatta.
Kanchi dupatta. Okay. इसका price बोलिए.
इसका भी somewhere around that
Okay.
price only.
Sure. So guys, आप लोग अगर interested हैं तो directly you can come down here. If you're not able to come down here, you can check them out at the store, right? All right. Thank you. Nice talking to you. आप लोग shopping करते करते अगर थक जाते हैं तो they also have something for food. Hi. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
Just hold the mic here. Okay. What's your name?
Aisha.
Okay, Aisha. So tell us, what are you selling at the counter, Aisha?
So today I have the famous Ramzan sharbats, Mohabbat ka sharbat.
Mohabbat ka sharbat all over across actually Bangalore. All right, price क्या है इसका?
120.
120 rupees. Okay, and what about this? ये क्या है?
This is cheesy hot dogs.
Okay.
And these are cheesy chicken pockets.
Okay, price के साथ please.
Okay, this is 45 and this is 25.
All right. What about
and these
this?
are bang bang chicken.
Okay.
This is 150 rupees.
So it's already made, or you're going to reheat and give it, or how is it?
Yeah, I'm going to reheat again.
Okay. And
yeah. This is Shezwan chicken skewers.
Okay. Price?
This is 150.
Okay.
And
Shami?
these are Turkish special cheesy shami.
Okay.
And this is for $100.
All right. So guys, do you have an Instagram handle? Do you do it at home? Do you have a store? कैसा है?
I've started my cloud kitchen now.
Oh, lovely. So you're on Swiggy Zomato?
Just on Zomato.
नाम बोल दीजिए आपके.
It's Arham's Tasty Bites.
So it's Arham's Tasty Bite. Contact number देना चाहेंगे? Party orders कुछ
Yeah,
अगर?
sure.
Go ahead.
It's 9538584210.
All right. So in case you're interested, they also undertake party orders, if I'm
Yes.
not wrong. So you guys can definitely check them out. Thank you. Nice talking to you. Bye-bye. So guys, यहाँ पे एक abaya and hijab का भी एक section है, counter है, and the name is Haya Hijabs. and they have some collection here. एक sneak peek हम आपको दे देंगे. So they also have some offer here, wherein आप लोग कोई भी अबाया ले सकते हैं at just ₹800. Pick any. So in case you guys are interested, they are here at the counter and they probably have the same Instagram page. We have moved to the next stall and the stall's name is Kumkum. Hi, what's your name?
Hi, Rishika, but she's Kumkum.
Hi. Oh, please. It's okay. It's okay. So tell us, what are you selling at the counter, dear?
So we have all chicken curry kurtis, suit piece sets, and all sort of fabrics like cotton, chanderi, malmal, everything.
So what's your minimum range and the maximum range
So
that
we
you're
have
starting
minimum range of 999, which is our for short kurtis.
Okay, chicken curry, right?
Yes, this is all chicken curry. So the best way to identify if it's a true chicken curry, you should see at the
Yes,
backside.
definitely.
They have threads.
Price क्या है इसका?
999.
999, good. Okay, so you guys can definitely quad with some pants or jeans as well.
Yeah.
Yes.
Correct.
So tell us, what else do you have?
Then we have this one of our premium.
It's a very beautiful color, actually.
Yes, and
very
this
rare.
is a Naira cut, or you can say Alia Bhatt cut.
Right. Okay. So guys, this is the piece. What's the price?
This is for 2200.
Okay. So it does not shrink, right?
No, it will not.
It will not. Fade भी नहीं होगा?
No.
Okay, great. So 2200?
Yes.
All right. So what's your highest range
So
that you have?
currently here for Ramzan, it's all on discount. So we
Okay.
have one more on the Dobi cotton, which is like a fast selling. This is
Okay.
for 2400.
Okay, lovely.
And the viscose ones are for 27 is the highest
That's
one.
very pretty, actually. Because this is actually super trending as well,
Yes.
is what I know.
Yes,
Of
correct.
what's the price that you said?
2700.
Okay, वो वाला ले लीजिए. All right, so just take a sneak peek. They actually have really lovely collection here out, and we'll not be able to showcase everything. So,
yeah,
do you
that
have a
makes
store?
sense. We do it online, and we are launching our website on March 30th.
Okay, congratulations on that.
Thank you.
Go ahead and tell your details. Any contact number or something that you want to share?
I can share my Instagram
Go ahead.
ID.
Go
It's
ahead.
Kumkum Threads of Tradition.
Can you spell that for people?
Yeah, KUMTHREADS OF and TRADITION. Just put it without any space.
Okay, any offers for Ramadan and Ugadi?
So yeah, we are giving a lot of discounts. We are giving up to 20%.
Okay.
So yeah, that's it.
You're going to extend this in case people are not able to come down here, because I think we're going to upload this probably tomorrow.
Definitely. I think the footfall is pretty great here.
Right.
And I would love to come next time.
Surely. All right. Congratulations.
thank
Lovely
you.
talking to you. All the
Same
best.
here. Yeah.
So guys, we have moved to the actually new stall actually here, and the name is Zah Collection 49 piece. आपका minimum range क्या है बोलिए?
Minimum starting 350 है.
350 rupees. 350 rupees का एक piece दिखा दीजिए हमें. So what's the price? 350.
350.
All right. And what about this? ये वाला?
इसका 450 है.
450 है. All right. And पक लीजिए. And how about this?
And there's a brass jewelry.
Okay.
इसका 850 है.
Okay. This is 850 rupees,
हाँ,
right?
850.
And आपका कोई permanent store या outlet है?
I'll come Safina Plaza regularly.
रेगुलरली आपका इधर ही रहता है. वीकेंड्स में आप यहाँ पे स्टॉल डालती हैं. ऑलराइट, सो गाइस, अगर आप लोग आज नहीं आ सकते कभी और, तो वीकेंड्स में दे हैव अ स्टॉल. द नेम अगेन इज Zah Collection 49. So guys, we're moving to the stall that has beautiful skincare collection. So hi, hello.
Hi.
What's your name?
Ritu.
Okay,
Hi.
so hi Ritu madam, tell us, what are you selling at the counter?
So we are basically, it's my own brand, it's handmade products. These are all fragrance free products.
Okay.
So we basically use a lot of botanicals and juices and extracts.
Okay, so you don't have any preservatives, chemicals, nothing? Is
We
what you're
have
saying?
preservatives.
Okay,
so
so
we have
let's start.
preservatives.
Okay.
And because we use a lot of water, so we need to preserve the
So
product.
she's so honest about it. She said it up, upfront that they have preservatives. So that's really nice. So tell us, what's your fast selling, minimum range, maximum range? What do you have?
So we have oats and almond. That's our minimum range.
Okay.
This is our nourishing like cream.
Okay.
That's going to help you nourish your skin.
Alright.
Also exfoliate your top layer. We also have a collagen that's over now.
Okay.
And
So what does it help in? Wrinkles?
No, it helps in protecting the skin barrier.
Protecting the skin barrier. More like a
Healing.
sunscreen is what you're trying to say.
It's like more into
Healing. मतलब repair करता है skin.
Yes.
Right? Alright. So what about this mist? I see some mists out here.
Yes, so these are like toners. You can also prep your skin. So these are water based, right?
Okay.
So it will penetrate faster into the skin.
So for example, we for shooting we use some kind of makeup, right? So before that we can prep our skin
Prep our
with
skin.
all of this.
Yes, yes.
Really good, so that it has a layer, so that the makeup does not get in so much into our skin. So yeah, that way is a barrier.
Yes.
All right. So share your Instagram page. Is this
So
the one?
Yes. So
Okay.
this is our Instagram,
All
Yuva
right.
Skin.
So guys, she's on Instagram. Do you have a store as well?
Yes, we have a website.
You have a website. Can you share your website details?
Yuvatskin.com.
Okay. All right. Mobile number यहाँ पे है, देख लीजिएगा guys. In case you guys are interested, you can contact her. We can, right?
Yes.
So you guys can contact her. Okay. Thank you so much. It was nice talking to you. Bye bye. So guys, we've actually moved to a very interesting stall. The name is actually Meow Crafts. Okay. So let's see what are they selling. Hi. What's your name?
I'm Yasmin.
Yasmin. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
Okay. Tell us, what are you selling at the counter here?
I'm selling all handmade products.
Okay.
We are having resin candles.
Okay, आ जाओ इधर आ जाओ, मुझे दिखाओ एक एक करके क्या है बोलो बताइए.
These are handmade resin bracelets.
Can I pick one?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, so this is a very sleek and very बहुत ही cute chic piece है. इसका प्राइस बोलिए.
It's 400.
400.
Yeah.
Okay, like
It's
very nice. Anti-tarnish?
Yeah.
Okay. So you also have something for Mehndi,
Yes.
Ugadi and Ramzan is
These are,
coming up. So
organic henna cones. I do mehendi also.
Oh, great. So you're an artist?
Yes.
Okay, great. So आपका कितना प्राइस है बोलिए?
30 rupees.
30 rupees. तो आपके Instagram page के बारे में बोल दीजिए where people can contact you in case you are wanting to.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's Mia Crafts, and you can also have my number 9502448015.
Okay.
मैं घर पे भी आके मेहंदी लगाती हूँ.
Okay,
आपको अगर
great.
चाहिए तो कॉल कर सकते
कोई डिस्काउंट है रमजान उगादी के लिए?
या रहेगा.
रहेगा. All right. So what about this? ये प्राइस क्या है बोलिए?
उसका 1000 है.
1000 है. मैक्सिमम रेंज क्या है आपका? एक पीस दिखा दीजिए हमें. I see some hampers out there. What is that?
These are not hampers. These are handmade boxes like
Okay.
home decor.
So guys, we've actually moved to the final stall. What's your name?
Hi, I'm Jyoti Singh.
Okay, madam, so tell us, what's your, first of all, your stall's name?
My brand name is Gauri Lex, which
Great.
we have just launched with a new kind of a cord sets, which is
Okay.
in a pure crepe
Okay.
and which has a beautiful, what do you call it?
This is the muslin cloth, right?
Yeah, no, this is crepe.
Crepe,
with,
okay.
With the leather.
Okay, this
all
is so
the work,
fashionable.
So,
Do you
yeah,
have? Is this your own brand, right?
Yeah, this I'm doing.
You make it yourself?
Yes, me and my friend is making from, and we are getting it here.
अच्छा, आपका store है? Do you have a store?
No, we are just launching very soon.
Okay, do you
So-
have a Instagram handle so that people can contact
Yes,
you?
my
Go ahead and say
Instagram
that.
handle is Gauri_Lex. Please log in and like my page and please
follow
order.
them. Please follow her.
Yeah.
They are new, but then they have really amazing collection.
Amazing.
That's actually made me stop by here. So look at this beautiful, very chic piece actually. And what's the price did you say?
This is 3550.
3,500 rupees. बहुत ही खूबसूरत है guys. And look at this. This had my eyes on from that time. And what's the price?
That is also 3550.
This is beautiful.
Thank you.
I think for Ugadi or Ramadan, you guys can definitely pick this up. Very different color and it's beautiful, yeah, guys. It's so flowy, I can see.
That's right.
Right?
The fabric
Summer,
is so
summer friendly,
and
definitely.
muslins are very friendly for the summer.
Right. And 3,500 में आप लोग ये quality आराम से ले सकते हो.
And the designs are amazing.
Yes,
so.
minimal work भी है, but then it's giving that vibrant and a very chic look. What's the starting range actually?
So it starts with cotton starts with 1950.
Show us one piece in 1950, please.
This is the 1950 piece.
Okay.
Which starts with a 3-piece set.
Okay.
So the
do you have only
guarantee-
sleeveless or do you also have full
I have
sleeves?
full sets
Show us one
also.
piece. कोई
This
बात
is
नहीं, हाँ
how-
वो दिखा दीजिए. बहुत ही प्यारा पीस है, ये भी देख लीजिए guys. Summer friendly. अभी summer started already and we're sweating. All of us are sweating here. So look at this piece. बहुत ही प्यारा पीस है guys. Price इसका?
This
1950?
is, no. This is 2,600 only.
This is 2,600. What's your maximum range?
Maximum range goes to 4,550.
Can you show us one, please?
Yeah,
Please.
that is a pure one. This is the pure crepe.
Okay.
With the
And what is this?
Okay.
Oh, this is a plazo pant.
Yeah, and the top with it.
Okay, this is the plazo pant, guys.
With a pure crepe.
Okay, very nice.
Okay.
बहुत ही party wear के लिए बहुत प्यारा piece है ये
And this
भी.
is a pure chiffon.
So it's a 3-piece set.
Yes.
We also have a dupatta. So chiffon का है. And this is muslin?
No,
crepe,
pure
crepe.
crepe,
I'm sorry.
pure crepe.
Crepe. Okay. And this is?
This is also crepe.
Okay. So guys, this is a very smart piece, very multicolored featured भी है. You guys can definitely check this out. And this is also very pretty dupatta. So अगर आप लोगों के पास कोई simple वगैरह top and bottom है तो उसके साथ ये आप match कर सकते हैं. Do you have any discount for our viewers?
Yes, we are giving already. So whoever comes with love, definitely.
No, but you have to give our viewers some special discount. So go on, tell us something about that.
10% you come on. I will
Guys, check
definitely
them
do
out.
it.
In case people are not, if you guys cannot come here, so you
So
can
please.
contact them.
Yes.
And you will have to extend the discount
Yes,
part to them.
definitely, sure.
So guys,
Thank
check
you.
them out for sure. All right, thank you. Nice
Thank
talking
you.
to you all. So guys, this was the video. We tried and explored each and every stall that's present here. तो अगर आप मुझे पूछेंगे तो काफ़ी different wide variety of different variants भी हैं. Something into the skincare, makeup and jewelry and fashion exhibition and बहुत ज़्यादा different new things we also came up to. So this was the thing, and Inca particular, the Fun Fiesta who's presenting this particular event, they also have a forthcoming event on 29th of the same month, that's 29th March 2025 at Viviani Road's Adam Hall. So you guys can definitely meet down there. And inshallah, let's see if we can also cover that particular exhibition. So yeah, this was the vlog. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and do subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more episodes to come.